Morning light fills the bedroom.
I wake up calmly. I stretch my body.
A shopping bag waits nearby.
I take my shopping bag. I check inside the bag. I put on my shoes. I walk to the door.
The door opens to daylight.
I step outside.
The street is quiet.
I walk slowly.
The sun is soft.
My bag feels light.
Houses line the street.
I feel relaxed.
The supermarket appears.
I see the store.
The street gets busy.
I walk to the entrance.
The doors open. The store is bright.
I walk inside.
Aisles are long.
I look around. I take a basket. I hold my bag. I start shopping.
Signs hang above. Fresh fruits shine. Apples look fresh.
I check apples. I take some apples.
Bananas are yellow.
I choose bananas.
Oranges are bright.
I take oranges.
Green vegetables shine.
I pick lettuce.
The bakery smells good. Fresh bread rests.
I smell the bread. I take one loaf.
The dairy is cool. Milky acid.
I take milk.
Eggs are stacked.
I take eggs. I place them carefully.
The meat section is cold.
I read labels. I choose chicken. My basket is full.
Cookies look tempting.
I smile. I take cookies. I add them gently. I go to checkout. I wait in line. I feel calm. I place items down.
The counter is ready. Items are scanned. Price appear.
I take my card. I pay.
The receipt prints.
I pack my bag. I leave the store. I walk home. The bag is heavy. I feel happy. I enter my kitchen. I unpack groceries.
Fruit goes in a bowl.
I put milk inside. I wash vegetables. Everything is ready.